Before a mission begins, before a drone takes flight, preparation starts here. SPHERA builds full mission environments designed for UAV training, testing, and operational readiness. Train solo, sharpen every reaction, no risk, no fatigue. Train together, ground, air, and command, fully synced. SPHERA, redefining UAV simulation, powerful, innovative, and technologically advanced. Every detail is modeled with precision, terrain, weather. Threats. Inject failures. Simulated communication, GPS and RF environment, all in real time. Mission readiness. Before a single drone lifts off, faster learning, greater confidence. SPHERA, before the mission begins.